Hi there. Hello, Belle. Oh, how are you today? Okay,
I'm great. And you?
okay, what? Okay. How's your day today? What did you do today, Belle? Did you go somewhere? What about in the morning or in the afternoon? What did you do? Did you go to the park? No, okay, I see. Okay, Belle. So just relax there. Make yourself comfortable and we will start right away. Let me share my screen now. And yes, we will have page 22. Okay, so we'll have a phonics bonus here, and I believe you are very familiar of these pictures. What is it, Belle? What about this?
Cool.
Hub, hub. What about this one? Hear you, Belle. Why can't I hear you? Can you try to speak?
There.
Okay, yes, very good, girl. This one,
Game.
very good. What about this? What is it?
10.
Okay, jam,
Jug.
very good. What about this?
Hippo.
And this one,
Horse.
very good. Hose. This one, Belle.
Goose.
Yeah, what about this person? He is a
King.
yes, he is a king. This one, Belle. What animal is it?
Is 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 a kitten.
Very good. It's a kitten. What number is it?
6.
Okay, yeah, six. And the last one is
Fox.
okay, yes, very good. And there you have it. So now, since we're done with it, let us proceed to this one. Can you read the first sentence, Belle?
The girl is in the cave.
What about for the second one?
The hut, the hippo is on the jug.
Okay, yes, great job. The last one, Belle.
I can see 6 kittens.
Okay, yes, very good. That is right. Now let us proceed in here. Okay, so all you have to do here, Belle, is to find five differences in these given pictures. Mhm. Can you find five differences? Mhm. Okay, that's one. Okay, yeah, very good, Belle. So let us number it one, two, three, four, and five. Now can you tell me the differences, Belle? Like, for example, in the first picture, she is a chef, but in the second picture, she is a pilot. Now, can you tell me the difference that you can see in the first and second picture?
Uh, there, there is a police
There,
of
Mhm. There are police officers, but continue, Belle. In the first picture, there are police officers, but in the second picture, what can you see?
there are firefighters.
Okay, yes, there are firefighters. Okay, now let us talk about the picture. Difference three, Belle. Okay, in the
Hey,
first picture,
the baby is happy.
but
The baby is sad.
okay, yes, very good. But in the second picture, the baby is sad. Now, what about for picture four?
He brought
Okay, she is bored, but in the second picture, she is
excited.
very good. Okay, now in the first picture,
He is hot.
yes, but in the second picture, he is, how is he feeling in the second picture, Belle?
Cold.
Yes, he is cold. Very good. Now let us have this one. So all you have to do is to fill in the missing letter, Belle, to complete the word. I know you can do this one. Like for example, K, king. What about for two? Okay, yes, that's correct. Yes, very good. Yes, okay, yes, very good, Belle. That is right. So now, yes, it's all correct, Belle. So now let us have this one. So all you have to do is to look at the given pictures and complete the given sentence. I can see, I can see.
Oh,
What this? Okay, yes. Not only hippos, well, but it's six, right? Okay, I can see six hippos. Okay, six hippos. Yes, a very cute hippo, Belle. Okay, that's right. Now, what about for two?
game.
The game? Is it the game? No, it's not the game. The
Oh,
blank is on the blank. The The kitten. Yes, the kitten is on the game. Yes, Belle. That is our answer in here. Yes, the kitten is on the game. See, the kitten is on top of the game. Yes. So we can say the game is on the kitten. No, that is a totally different scenario, Belle. Now, what about for 3?
The cup is the
Okay, yes. On the that is right. But I have observed, Belle, that your connection today is a little unstable. Okay, so now let us have one. Okay, so we have here things to eat. What is it? I. What do you want to write? Mhm. I. Okay, well, anyways, going back in here, Belle, let me cover it all. Now, can you tell me what's this? Yeah, it's soup. What about this one? Hmm. What's this?
it's a salad.
Yeah, it's salad. I can't hear you very well, Belle. I think your connection is a little unstable today. That is why, because I can't hear you clearly. Now, going back, can you tell me the answer for 3? What is it? Okay. What about this?
It's a French fry.
Very good. It's French fries. And what about this one?
It's a meat.
All bugs.
Egg.
Yes, those are eggs. Okay, so this one, Belle, we call it steak. Okay, this one. This meat right here, we call it steak. Now, Belle, let us have this one. So all you have to do is to listen and number it. Okay, let us start now for a moment.
Page 24. B. Listen and number. 1,
I like steak. What about you? I don't like steak. I like spaghetti.
2,
Mmm.
Okay, what do you think is the answer for 1? Which picture shows the first conversation, Belle? Which picture shows the first conversation?
I can.
Were you able to hear it, Belle? You did not hear that. Oh, did you hear the audio? Hi, Belle. Did you hear the audio, Belle? Or no?
No.
No, okay, I see. That is why. Because I have observed, Belle, that your connection is unstable tonight. Not tonight, but this afternoon, I mean. Okay, your connection is unstable. That is why you can't hear the audio. I can't hear you really well as well. Okay, so now let us continue. Let us see if you can hear it now. Wait, let us continue hearing this audio.
Page 24. B. Listen and number. 1,
I like steak. What about you? I don't like steak. I like spaghetti.
Okay, what picture shows that conversation, Belle? Like spaghetti. What picture shows that? Can you number it one? Can you hear the audio now, Belle? Can you hear me, Belle? Can you hear me? Oh, Belle. Okay, yes, very good. Thank you. Next one now, two.
2,
Soup. I like soup.
What about say that? Two. Can you number it two, Belle?
It's,
Oh, I think
it's
your
here.
connection is. I can see your writing, Belle. I can see your. I can see your pen, and your video is lagging. It's because of your connection, Belle. Can you try to check your connection for a moment? Oh, okay, yeah. I can see it now. Thank you, Belle.
3,
Look, salad. I like salad.
Mm-hmm. What about for that? What about for that? Okay, yes. One. Yes, very good, Belle. Okay, let
4,
us have four.
What are those?
Those are eggs.
5,
Okay, yes.
Are
That
those
is
French
four.
fries?
Yes, they are.
And last one. Okay, yes, very good, Belle. Thank you so much. Okay. So now let us proceed to this one. Okay, so all you have to do here is to tell me if the person wants or don't want, he wants or he doesn't want the soup. Okay, now can you um do you want soup or can you form a sentence here, Belle, using I? I is it I want or I don't want?
I want soup.
Very good. I want soup.
I don't want salad.
Okay, yes, very good. I don't want salad. What about in here? Can you answer using the pronoun he?
Spaghetti.
Okay, yes, he wants spaghetti. What about for this picture?
French fries.
Okay, great job, Belle. What about in here? Use I. I.
I want.
Okay, yes, I want steak. Great job. And for the last picture, Belle.
I doesn't want eggs.
Okay, yes. Now, when our subject is I, Belle, we don't use doesn't. Okay, we don't say I doesn't want. Okay, because doesn't will only go with he, and it. Okay, so when we say I, it always goes with don't. I don't want eggs. Okay, I don't want eggs. Mm-hmm. Why is it a cross? Why is it a cross? Yes, it should be I don't. Okay, not I doesn't. Okay, now let us proceed to the next one. What do you want? I want soup. What does he or she want? He or she wants soup. Now, can you tell me what does he want?
He wants soup.
What do you want? What do you want?
I want eggs.
Okay, we're still in item two, Belle. So it should be I want French fries. Now, what does he want? What does he want? Okay, yes, very good. He wants eggs. What do you want?
I want steak.
What do you want?
I want spaghetti.
What does he want? Okay, yes, very good. That's correct, Belle. You're so smart as always, Belle. Now in here we have the foods and some names. Okay, so all you have to do is to encircle the word that corresponds to the picture. The first one is okay, yeah, very good. We have egg. What about for two? Okay, yeah, French fries, French fries, French fries. Soup. Yeah, spaghetti. Okay, salad. And the last one we have steak. Okay, yes, very good. Well done. That's right, Belle. Now let us have this. Okay, so I want you to unscramble it. Can you tell me what food is it? Very good. It's spaghetti. What about this one?
Soup.
Very good. What's this?
Eggs.
Yeah, great job, Belle. What about this one?
French fries.
Great job. Five.
Steak. Steak.
Okay, steak. And the last one is okay. There you have it, salad. And here, all you have to do is to match it, Belle. Match it, match it. You not he wants. He doesn't want French fries. He wants soup. He doesn't want salad. Okay. Yes, very good, Belle. That is correct. Okay, thank you so much. And I believe that's all it for our class today, Belle. So I'll see you again next meeting. Thank you so much. Goodbye, Belle.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.